Welcome to the peaceful village of Marambat, where tranquility, open space, and authentic French living come together. Here, nestled in a quiet setting surrounded by rolling countryside, is a beautifully maintained 126 square meters home. The ideal retreat for families, retirees, or anyone seeking a slower pace of life. Step inside and discover a bright, inviting interior with 3 spacious bedrooms and 5 well-proportioned living spaces. Double glazing and electric shutters provide comfort and efficiency throughout the seasons, while natural light fills each room, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. A standout feature is the exceptional 65 square meters garage, perfect for vehicles, a workshop, or future development ideas. Outside, the charm continues. The enclosed garden offers privacy and security, while mature greenery frames the home with a soft, natural backdrop. The generous terrace invites long lunches, evenings with friends, and quiet moments enjoying the peaceful surroundings. In Marambat, life moves gently. With its picturesque landscapes and serene village atmosphere, it's the perfect place to unwind, reconnect with nature, and enjoy a truly relaxed lifestyle. Welcome to Gers, a picturesque corner of the Gers countryside, where rolling fields, big skies, and absolute tranquility define everyday life. Here, set within more than 1.3 hectares of lush, private land, is a beautifully presented 127 square meters home, sold fully furnished and ready to enjoy from day one. Inside, the first floor offers a warm and inviting living space, complete with the pellet stove and a feature fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings. The kitchen opens directly onto a sunny terrace, ideal for outdoor breakfasts or long summer meals. This level also includes a bathroom and a convenient laundry room upstairs. A half landing leads to 2 bright bedrooms, one of which connects to an impressive 48 square meters open plan space, ready to be transformed to suit your lifestyle, perhaps a studio, playroom, or additional suite. The main landing, currently used as an office, leads to another comfortable bedroom and a modern shower room with dressing area. Outside, the charm continues with multiple outbuildings, including an open hangar, garage, and lean-tos, offering ample storage and workshop potential. Surrounded by expansive greenery and bathed in sunshine, this peaceful property is a true countryside retreat, a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy life in one of France's most idyllic regions. Now, let's head over to a peaceful hamlet just outside Oss, exploring a charming home that captures the true spirit of countryside living. Quiet, green, and wonderfully relaxing. From the moment you step into the kitchen, you're greeted by views of the wooded garden and the inviting swimming pool, setting the tone for home that feels like a year-round holiday. The bright and welcoming living room features a wood-burning stove and opens onto a covered terrace. The perfect spot for leisurely lunches or evenings overlooking the garden. On the ground floor, you'll also find 2 comfortable bedrooms, a shower room, a separate toilet, and a large garage offering excellent storage or workshop potential. Upstairs, 2 further bedrooms, a family bathroom, and a separate toilet are paired with a generous mezzanine, ideal as a reading nook, office, or play area. And on clear days, one of the bedrooms reveals a stunning, uninterrupted view of the Pyrenees, thoughtfully maintained and designed for easy living. This home offers comfort, calm, and the perfect escape, whether as a full-time residence or a countryside retreat. Discover more beautiful homes across France at forsalefrance.com.